everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Design. If you are new here, I am Anaya Ali and today we are diving into some super cool and trendy outfits that you are going to love. Whether you are looking for something special for a party or just want to update your wardrobe, we have got it all. Stick around because you are going to see the latest bodycon dresses, fabulous party outfits, and so much more. Ready? Let's go. Alright, let's start with bodycon dresses. These dresses are super popular right now. They fit close to your body and show off your shape. You can find them in so many styles, from classic black to bright neon colors. Check out this classic black bodycon dress. It's simple because you can dress it up or down. Pair it with some heels for a night out or with sneakers for a casual look. And look at this color one. It's perfect if you want to make a bold statement. The patterns and colors make it so much fun to wear. Imagine walking into a party with this on, all eyes on you. Do not forget to add some accessories. A nice necklace or a cool belt can really change up the look. It's all about making the dress fit your style. Next step, let's talk about party outfits. Whether you are heading to a birthday party, a family gathering, or just a fun night out, you want to look amazing and feel comfortable. Look at this sparkly dress. Is perfect for dancing and having a great time. The sequins add a lot of fun and the cut is super flattering. Or maybe you are into something a bit more relaxed. This cute jumpsuit is perfect for a casual party. It's easy to wear and still look fantastic. Remember, it's all about feeling good in what you wear. Choose sometimes some things that makes you smile and enjoy party. Let's switch gears and check out some casual party outfits. These are great for when you want to look stylish but keep it laid back. This outfit is perfect for a relaxed get together. The comfy tops and stylish pants are a great combo for hanging out with friends. And how about this fun skirts and top combos? It comfy but still looks super cute. Perfect for a casual party or even a weekend outing. If you are loving these outfits and want to see more cool fashion ideas, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you enjoy this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your support help us keep bringing you the best fashion tips. Now let's look some outfits that are perfect for different seasons. Whether it's summer, fall, winter or spring, there's always a trendy option to keep you looking stylish. For summer, check out this breezy dress. It's perfect for staying and cool and looking fabulous. Pair it with some cute sandals and you are ready to go. In the fall, you can rock this cozy sweater dress. It's warm and stylish. Just add some boots and you are all set. And for winter, this warm coat and scarf combo is perfect for staying snug while still looking great. You do not have to sacrifice style for warmth. Spring is all about fresh colors and fun patterns. This floral dress is perfect for the season. It's light and bright, just like the weather. Finally, let's have some fun with creative and unique outfits. These are perfect for making a fashion statement and showing off your personality. Look at this outfit with all the cool patterns and colors. It's perfect when you want to stand out, can be center of attention. And how about this one, the funky design? It's a great way to express yourself and have fun with fashions. Do not be afraid to mix and match different styles to create your own unique look. Fashion is all about having fun and expressing who you are. If you enjoy seeing these creative outfits and want more fashion tips, if you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your support really means a lot. Let's talk about some styling tips to make your outfit look even better. Accessories can really change up your look. A statement necklace can turn a simple dress into something special. Just add it to your outfit and you will instantly look more polished. Do not forget about belts. They can help define your waist and add a bit of flair to your outfit. And shoes, they are so important. A pair of cute heels or trendy sneakers can completely change how your outfit looks. Remember, it's all of finding what makes you feel good and having fun with your fashion choice. Alright, let's have a little fun with some outfits challenges. I am going to show you how to take a single items and style it in 3 different ways. Here are simple white blouse, and first let's style it for a casual day out with jeans and sneakers. Next we can dress it up with a skirts and heels for a night out or a party. And finally, let's make it work for a more professional look with some tailored pants and a blazer. It's amazing how one pieces can be so versatile, and I love hearing from you. So let's answer some of your questions about fashion and outfits. One viewers asked how to style bodycon dresses for a day event. Great question. You can pair it with the denim jackets and some sneakers for a daytime look. Another question was about mixing patterns. Do not be afraid to try it. Just make sure the patterns complement each other. For example, you can mix a strip top with a floral skirts if the colors match. Keep those questions coming and I will do my best to answer them in future videos. If you found this question answer helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your support really helps us out. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you found some great outfits, inspiration, and had fun seeing all the trendy looks. Remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself and having fun. If you have any favorite outfits or styling tips, leave a comment below. I do not love to hear what you think. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share this video if you enjoy it, and stay tuned for more amazing fashion tips and trends in our next video. See you soon. Bye for now. Stay stylish and keep rocking those amazing outfits. Are you having for checking out these outfits? Do not forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on the latest trend. And if you are loving these styles, give us a thumbs up and share this video with everyone you know. Please subscribe to my channel Fashion Design. Like, share, comments, beautiful comments. See you soon. Bye.